life I has to fight, nigga.
Hey y'all, my hair looks a mess as you can tell. I just woke up. It's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. Actually, I woke up like an hour ago, but I just chilled in bed. And then today we are getting our life together. And of course, before we get our life together, it starts with a good morning routine. And we brushed our teeth, washed our face, we got our hands all ready. I'm growing out my nails. My hair looks a mess. Bear with me, I just woke up, and today I'm getting my hair trimmed and straightened, of course, to get it trimmed, which I hate. Anyway, it is Saturday, so I'm going to go get my packages from I work till 6 and our leasing office closes at 6, so I never get to get my stuff until the weekend, and that is going to be also helping me get my life together. Got a water bottle. I'm going to be upping my water intake. Got a filtered water bottle, so it's been a struggle drinking water. I got a mouse pad and a mouse, so editing videos is going to be lit. I also got a computer stand because I need to stop doing my assignments on my bed. It's not helping the back. Also, my life has been a mess. It was midterm week. I had presentations, all this stuff, and I broke my glasses. So the ghetto, actually, like the ghetto. So I have to spend money on some new glasses. That's great. No, it's not. Real quick. That's a different story. We got laundry we need to be doing. There's a lot going on, and I have an appointment at 1:45, and it's 11:14 right now. So I need to go get my packages from my leasing office, and I'm so excited. It's like opening gifts for me, and my birthday's in like 9 days. Oh, I'm so excited. So I got my 3 packages. They're there, but I can't find my ID. So hopefully in the mess of cleaning all this, I can find it, fingers crossed. But we're just gonna clean. Let's open up this window. My room is disastrous, but I'm happy I found my ID. I knew I didn't lose it. I found it in my pants pocket, and I knew it was in some type of pants pocket. I don't know why it was in there and why I took it out, but let's put it in my wallet and put it safe. This isn't the cutest thing. I need to get all my bloggings collected because I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me on the journey. I got this Brita water bottle, and it has a filter in it so I can always drink water. It's a little too pink for me. I was gonna do purple, but this one seemed cute. I thought it looked champagne-y. I think this is a little pink for me, and I don't like that. I wish this was maybe, I don't know. But anyway, my Uber's here in like 3 minutes, so I need to go. Let's go. This is the slickest silk press I've ever had. It's not that bad. I usually hate these because they're just not very voluminous, but this one's not bad. Let's go to my house. Okay, so basically I'm done everything, and another part of getting my life together is doing these eyebrows. So I'm gonna pluck them and dye them, and we'll see how this goes. This angle's really awkward, sorry. Not bad, huh? For someone who never does her own eyebrows. I love this one the most, but this one, because we're missing the little top, we'll fix that. So now we're just going to be using our Just for Men, and we're going to dye our eyebrows because duh. I look crazy, but they're not going to be this dark. And I literally let them sit forever because they never get dark as I would like them to be. So I look crazy, but it'll be worth it. Here it is. See, they're not that crazy. I'm ending this here. My room is clean. I just have my bedding in the laundry. Everything is like beautifully cleaned. Everything. All I'm left to do is edit. It looks crazy, but please bear with the bed. I just literally just took my I'm editing right here, as I've been wanting to do, and just everything is tip-top shape. My life is together and I am happy. I'm proud. This is what we wanted to do. My eyebrows, they look so cute to me, and they'll fade in like 3 days, so it is what it is. But that's it. And I need to do an outro for this video because it's all done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Next week is my birthday, so I'm excited to film whatever happens then, I guess. I don't know. I'm tired. And I love my eyebrows, and I really like my hair. My eyebrows are a little dark, but I just love them because it just makes me look more done up, and yeah, I look like a little baby with my hair. I need to put this bonnet on. I need to go to bed. It is like, I think 30 minutes before 1 a.m. and I'm tired. I'm drained. I've done a lot of this today and I need to sleep early and just have an amazing sleep, you know? 8 hours and everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And goodbye. It's see you Wednesday.
Showed your time.
Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.